Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we'll go through the day 12 problem insert delete get random. Please like the video and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any update. Design a data structure that support all following operation in average O of 1 time. We need to write function to insert, delete and find a random element. As we know, to store an element, ArrayList is a good data structure. An ArrayList is an index space and inserting and deleting an element takes O of 1 time. But ArrayList also allows duplicate. And searching a value takes O of n time. As the question wants an average complexity of O of 1, using only ArrayList we can achieve insert and random function in O of 1 but not remove. If we use hashmap, we can work around the cons of ArrayList. As hashmap has no duplicate keys and the average complexity to insert, search and delete an element is O of 1. But as random function needs to have same probability for all the elements, we need ArrayList and cannot use hashmap alone. So with this combination, we can achieve all three functions in O of 1. So let's see how we insert the element. We will check if the element exists in a map or not. If it doesn't, then we insert the element in list and also in map with element as key and its index in list as value. Then we return true. If the value was present, we return false. Suppose we need to insert 4 elements and we have a list and map. Starting from 3, we will insert it into the list and then put it in map with value as 0 and return true. Moving to second element, as the element does not exist in map, we insert it into map and list and return true. Now element 3 is already existing in map, so we return false. Now as 10 is not in map, we add it and return true. Now let's see how we get the random element. We will use the same input list. We will find a random index between 0 and size of the list and then return the value at that index. Coming on to the last function, we will see how we will remove the element. Let's add one more value to the list so it has 4 elements. Suppose we need to delete 6, which has value as 3 in map. The value is equal to the last index of the list. In this case, we will simply delete the element from the map and list. Now, what if the element to be deleted is 7? As value in map is 1, we know that it is not the last element. So we will follow these steps. These steps do nothing but replace the current value with the last element in list and update the index of last element with current index in map. This is done so that the list in map has index value in sync. We will first replace the value in list with the value at last index. Now we will update the index of the last value with current index in the map. In this case, we update value of 10 in map to 1. Now all we need to do is delete the current element from map and last element from list. The algorithm will look like this. If value exists in map, then we see if the element index is the last index of list. If it is not, then we replace the current value in list with a value at last index. Then we update the index of the last value in map with current index and then delete the last index and current value from map. Else we need to just delete the last index from list and current value from map. Then we return true. If value does not exist, then we return false. Here is the actual code snippet from the method. Also check out the link to the Java code in the description below. The time complexity for getRandom function is always O of 1. The insert and delete will be O of 1 in average time but O of n in worst case scenario. The space complexity will be O of n. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video.